Do you want to hide your birthday on Snapchat? You can turn off birthday on Snapchat profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide your birthday on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you're on Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now you're on your profile page. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner to open settings. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down and tap on birthday under the My Account section. Here you'll see your birthdate and the birthday party option. Uncheck the box next to the birthday party to hide your birthday information from your friends. Now, after turning it off, it will take up to 24 hours to hide from Snapchat profile, and friends won't see birthday notifications.